Where'd Daddy go today, Jade? Where'd he go? He went to look at the lake? He went to look at the lake? Yes, didn't he go look at the lake? Oh, that's a nice hand. Nice hand. Little yawn. Can we come up a little closer? Come up a little closer. Hi. What's going on? Alright, we're going to say bye now. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Oh, that was nice. Bye.